Good morning, good afternoon actually. I hope you're all doing well. आज की लाइफ में we are going to talk about vitamin D and how to take it, when to take it, everything about vitamin D that you girls absolutely need to know about vitamin D. Everybody has been giving you misinformation about vitamin D, but not me. I'm going to not gatekeep. I'm going to tell you what is the best way to take it, how you should be doing all this, and where are you right now. So I am going to give you every detail about vitamin D that you needed in your life but you did not know about. So pop down all your vitamin D questions here. I'm going to answer them and I'm going to tell you why vitamin D is one of the most important supplements that a woman should be taking. I'm going to take a second and apply my lipstick while you guys tell me where are you joining in from and what's your vitamin D level right now. Please put in the comments below what is your vitamin D level below. I need to really sharpen this lip pencil. Hi Sabine, please talk about berberine for weight loss. I would love to. I love berberine, and berberine is so much more than weight loss. People don't even know about it. It's just amazing. So let's talk about vitamin D. Vitamin D is something that each of you should be taking. And if you're not taking it, you have to understand. And even if your level is optimal, what you should be doing, I'm going to talk about all of this. So drop your vitamin D level below. And we can start the live. All right, so now that I have my lipstick on, I feel so much put together. Do you think this shade is too dark? Do you think I should lighten this a little bit? What do you guys think? Should I put a lighter shade on top just to make it slightly more daytime suitable? Let's do it. Okay. All right. So let's go to vitamin D and talk about everything that nobody has ever told you about vitamin D, but you should have known from the start. Everybody tells you vitamin D level low ho gaya hai, to आप vitamin D खा लें. But the first thing you need to understand is that you have to split your dose. You have to split the supplements that you are taking. Vitamin D is critical. It is super critical for you to have. But you have to understand, if you do not take vitamin D in the right way, you will not get the entire benefits. And vitamin D deficiency for women is an absolute poison, because most of the calcium problems come from vitamin D problems, because vitamin D helps in calcium absorption, and that is something a lot of women are missing out on. So let's start talking about it. The first thing is that vitamin D has to be in an optimal range for women, and if it's not, it is one of the number one causes of hormonal disruption. So if you have menopause, perimenopause, polycystic ovaries, if you have hormonal issues, you get period acne, you get a lot of hormonal issues, you get hangry, चिड़चिड़ाहट रहती है, चिड़चिड़ाहट, फटफड़ाहट, दबदबाहट, सरसराहट, ये सब का सब कुछ जो है, ये आपको विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से हो सकता है. सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू? यू आर गोइंग टू डू द थिंग्स राइट वेयर मोस्ट वुमेन डू थिंग्स रॉन्ग. सो इफ यू हैव सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, दबदबाहट, फुदकुदाहट, चिलमिलाहट, पटपटाहट, आपने विटामिन डी को उस तरीके से लेना है जिस तरीके से मैं आपको आज सिखाऊंगी. सो विटामिन डी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज फैट सॉल्युबल. इट इज बेसिकली a hormone, not a vitamin. और vitamin D को आपने हमेशा फैट के साथ लेना है. There are many studies that show that there is a lot better absorption of vitamin D when D3 is absorbed with a fat containing meal. And fat containing meal, and if it's the largest meal of your day, then it can raise the absorption of your vitamin D by 25 OHD, 25 to 50% OHD. That is a huge डेप्थ. यानी कि आप जो कैप्सूल खाते हैं, इट कैन बी 50% मोर इफेक्टिव इफ यू टेक इट विद द मील जिसमें फैट होता है, एंड टेक इट विद द लार्जेस्ट मील ऑफ द डे. सो रिमेंबर, विटामिन डी को a lot of people have been asking me what is the right time to take it. The right time to take vitamin D is in daytime. Now the second thing is vitamin D3 is more effective than D2. So try only to take vitamin D3 instead of taking vitamin D2, because what you are trying to do when you increase your vitamin D levels is you're trying to increase the serum OHD. So always choose vitamin D3, which is also known as cholecalciferol, instead of D2. A lot of people take vitamin D3, and I'm going to go on the dosage in a second. Keep asking your questions in the comments below, and I'm going to get to all of them. Don't you worry. All I want is to, let me just put this question from the live, best vitamin D deficiency. So if you are, second thing with vitamin D is that vitamin D, when you're taking vitamin D, do not take magnesium at the same time. So a lot of people try to put all their pills in their mouth at the same time, but magnesium is a cofactor for the activation and transport of vitamin D. Now, magnesium you can take, but iron you cannot take. So if you take D3 and magnesium and K2, that is going to give you better tolerance. But it's better that you use magnesium as a cofactor for the activation and transport of your vitamin D. If you are a sensitive sleeper, अगर आपको insomnia रहता है, then you have to understand that vitamin D should not be taken at night if you have insomnia. अगर आपको सोने में problem होती है, नींद में problem होती है, तो always try to keep your dose in the morning or at lunch time. Otherwise आप किसी भी time में vitamin D ले सकते हैं. But daytime is the best time to take vitamin D, because कई लोगों को शाम में vitamin D लेने से insomnia और नींद के problems हो सकते हैं. उसके बाद जो एक biggest thing है, जैसे if somebody has told you that you're vitamin D deficient, तो doctors start creating mega dose. Just like there is something called micro dose, there is something called mega dose. So if your vitamin D is deficient, then your doctor is going to give you a mega dose of vitamin D, which might be 50,000 IU once a week. So you have to understand that most adults do not need chronic doses, और खुद से vitamin D के mega dosing मत कीजिए. Upper limit is 4,000 to 5,000 IU a day if you are doing dosing yourself, unless कि आपका doctor आपको advice कर रहा है. And why do you not want to do it? You'll be like, नहीं, the more the better. I know I'm deficient. I'm going to tell you one thing. If you try to dose yourself for vitamin D, you will get a calcium imbalance. Most people do not realize that if you take mega high doses of vitamin D without medical supervision, that is going to destroy the balance of calcium versus vitamin D in your body, and that is so dangerous. You have no idea. Please consider it a warning. Be very, very careful with your vitamin D dosing. So keep testing, keep aiming at the right target. अगर आपने vitamin D के capsules लिए हैं 4 to 6 weeks, you have to get yourself tested again. Do not keep blindly eating vitamin D. Do not keep blindly eating any vitamin until and unless you absolutely know what is going to happen to it. Then you have to understand what foods to avoid when you're taking vitamin D. So there is no one food which you can say, okay, this is an absolute no. Like we know that iron and caffeine should never be combined, but for vitamin D, it is said that it's better not to take it with your coffee or tea, but if you take it, it's not as harmful as taking your iron with it. So what is a simple, safe routine for you to take vitamin D? Very, very simple. Morning or lunch, have your D3 vitamin and have it with K2. Please always have your D3 with K2. That is very, very critical, because K2 is going to help your D3 absorb. Then add magnesium in the evenings on the same day. Try not to take it at the same time. Try to take vitamin D3 in the morning and try to take magnesium in the evening. Also consider taking K2. You have to take D3 and K2 together, especially if you're taking calcium supplements, because I know a lot of people are taking calcium supplements. If you take calcium supplements, then this is something that you have to be really, really careful about. Then every 8 weeks, you have to retest your vitamin D until you reach the optimal level. Until you reach the optimal level, do not stop. Do not stop testing yourself. Do not think, oh, 6 months पहले मैंने test कराया था, वो ऐसे आया था. Keep yourself on top. Keep talking about it. Keep discussing things. Remember, vitamin D is fat soluble. Your body stores it but these stores will decline if your intake stops. So the second thing is seasons change. In winter, you will need more vitamin D because sun levels are gonna go down. And with that, in winters, a lot of people will need vitamin D3 supplementation. You do not have to take a higher dose, take a lower dose, but take it with vitamin K. And on the evenings of the same day, take magnesium. This stacking is going to change your life. Retest after every 6 months or after every 2 months if you have been deficient. Do not continue supplementing blindly mega doses without testing yourself. One question that somebody has asked me here is that can breastfeeding women take it? So I am going to tell you a fun thing that no one will tell you. Breast milk is naturally low in vitamin D. That is why doctors not only tell lactating mothers to supplement, they also give drops for the infants usually. So infants are also given vitamin D drops because breast milk does not have enough vitamin D. So if you are a lactating mother, then yes, you absolutely can and you absolutely should be supplementing your vitamin D. That is the right thing to do. There is research which shows that if you can take 6,400 IU per day of vitamin D3 in the mother, then it can safely raise the level of vitamin D for the baby in the breast milk to optimal levels, same as giving babies their own drops. So the mother, whatever the mother eats is there. So you only have to take 6,400 IU or more. It is proven by studies. But most guidelines set a limit of 4,000 IU a day, where you can safely dose yourself around 4,000 IU a day. Higher doses have to be monitored, but they are critical, especially if you have hormonal issues, if you're entering perimenopause, if you're entering menopause and you are not supplementing with vitamin D, if you have polycystic ovary syndrome, if you have thyroid issues, please, please, please get your labs done, get your supplements in place. Instead of taking medicines, try to use supplements to take care of the various conditions that have been pestering you, that have been bothering you. You have to understand mothers can take vitamin D, lactating women can take vitamin D, everyone can. Do not mega dose yourself blindly. I have 10,000 IU and 100 K2 mg. How many days should I take these, like daily or every other day? 10,000 IU is a very high IU. So you have not mentioned what is your vitamin D level. It is very important to know what your vitamin D level is before you can decide how much dose you can take. But please, 10,000 IU is a high dose and you have to know your exact vitamin D level before you start trying to supplement it. So, but yes, take it in the morning. Pair it with vitamin K2 and if possible magnesium in the evening. Avoid coffee, tea and alcohol at the same time. Separate it from iron. Do not take your vitamin D at the same time as your iron. Please do not do that. Simple, effective, do not do that. Test your blood levels yearly, 6 monthly to make sure you're on top. Adjust your dose seasonally. Higher in winter, lower in summer. Higher in winter, lower in summer. Simple. So if you follow these principles, you can very, very easily go ahead and make the best health routine of your life. If you take vitamin D3 in the morning, you take your vitamin D3 with K2 in the morning. You can take it with your omega-3 capsules, but you cannot take it with your iron. Try not to take caffeine at the same time. Try not to take it on an empty stomach. Best vitamin D3 supplement. Again, there are many vitamin D3 supplements and I will do a supplement post. But again, my question is, do you know what your vitamin D level is? Without knowing your vitamin D level, you cannot really answer this question, right? So please keep that in mind. What else can I answer? My vitamin D level was very low when I tested. Now, if your vitamin D level is low, pair it smartly. Magnesium, vitamin D, K2. This is a pair, like not a pair, it's a threesome. Not that kind of threesome. It's basically you're going to take vitamin D and K2 in the morning, and you are going to take magnesium in the evening. Remember, if you have insomnia, you're going to stay away from taking vitamin D in the evenings because that can cause you sleep issues. Vitamin D is so critical, but women don't know when to take it. And yes, please do not take vitamin D with a high fiber meal. That is an absolute no. That is going to cause you severe issues because fiber is, since vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, so with fiber it is just going to go out of your body, it's going to go out of your system. So make sure that the meal that you're taking it with does not have a lot of fiber in it. It has a lot of fat in it because fat will help it absorb, slip it into your system, and fiber is going to take it out of your system without absorbing it. Do not take vitamin D on an empty stomach. Do not take it with just an empty stomach with coffee. Do not combine it with iron. Do not combine it with high fiber meals. Do not overload on mega doses. Do not rely on sun alone to give you vitamin D. Do not think कि अगर आप अपने फेस पे सनस्क्रीन लगाते हैं तो उससे आपकी vitamin D ब्लॉक हो गई है. आपके फेस में इतनी फेशियल फैट नहीं है कि उसकी सारी एब्जॉर्प्शन विटामिन डी की आपके सारे फेस से हो. Synergy is important. Vitamin D cannot activate without magnesium. You have to have them together, preferably not at the same time, preferably at different times, but you have to understand this is critical. Please share this information with everyone who needs to know. Most women take vitamin D, but they have no idea what they're doing. They're just doing whatever is coming to their mind. So please be smart, be safe, and do things right the first time. I hope this live has helped you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I can give you answers to all of them. Vitamin D is absolutely critical. It is absolutely crucial. You have to understand that you cannot take vitamin D on an empty stomach. You have to have food in your stomach when you're going to take it. So I hope this was informative. Lots and lots of love to you. Kisses and love. I hope you guys do extremely, extremely well. And you can come back with any question. Okay, I've got a question. Let me answer this question for you. What is the best vitamin D supplement available in Pakistan? I do not know at the moment, but I will do my research and I will get back to you. Is there any other country that you guys want me to look into other than Pakistan, UAE? Is somebody here from Canada and US who wants to know? Okay, so one more question that I'm going to answer now. जो joints pain होती है vitamin D की वजह से होती है और daily use कर सकते हैं. First of all, vitamin D can absolutely yes cause joint pain, bone, आपको जो हड्डियों में दर्दें होती हैं जो वो सब, और कैल्शियम की डेफिशिएंसी, वो सब विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी से होती है. So yes, it can absolutely cause that. It can, and here is why. अंडरस्टैंड, बोन मिनरलाइजेशन के इश्यूज औरतों को शुरू हो जाते हैं जैसे ही वो 30s में पहुंचती हैं. विटामिन डी हेल्प्स योर बॉडी एब्जॉर्ब कैल्शियम एंड फास्फोरस. और कई औरतें कैल्शियम के सप्लीमेंट लेती हैं लेकिन विटामिन डी का सप्लीमेंट लेना भूल जाती हैं, तो जो कैल्शियम है वो आपकी बोन्स में एब्जॉर्ब होती ही नहीं है. अगर विटामिन डी नहीं आप लेंगे तो आपकी बोन्स, आपकी हड्डियां सॉफ्ट हो जाएंगी, जिससे आपकी बॉडी में ना डल एकिंग पेन रहना शुरू हो जाएगी. जॉइंट्स में पेन होगी, हिप्स में पेन होगी, मसल्स वीक हो जाएंगे. ये जो डेफिशिएंसी है ये मसल की स्ट्रेंथ और उसको बैलेंस को रिड्यूस करती है, जॉइंट्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन डालती है. बहुत सारी जो औरतें हैं वो कहती है मेरी टांगों में ना हैवी हो रहा है, जैसे मेरी अम्मी पंजाबी में कहती थी खुसनी लगी हुई है. अब पता नहीं आप लोग उसको क्या कहते हैं, मतलब आई होप आप उसको कोई बैड वर्ड मत समझे, बट टांगों में सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, दबदबाहट, गुदगुदाहट, सरसराहट, पटपटाहट, वटेवर, वो सब अगर आपको हो रही है तो आपको उसको क्योर करने के लिए इस चीज को ध्यान में रखना है. मसल वीकनेस के लिए और इन्फ्लेमेशन, लो विटामिन डी इज लिंक्ड टू इन्फ्लेमेशन, हाई इन्फ्लेमेशन मार्कर्स, जिससे औरतों में आर्थराइटिस भी होता है, मर्दों में भी होता है, और ऑटो इम्यून कंडीशंस भी होते हैं, विच आर बोथ एब्सोल्यूट नोज, बोथ आर थिंग्स दैट वी वांट टू स्टे एब्सोल्युटली अवे फ्रॉम. कौन रो रहा है? कोई रो रहा है. Magnesium glycinate you're talking about, you can take any form of magnesium, they all help vitamin D absorption. Let's see what other questions have come in. Tup, 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 tup. as I am on one meal a day, can I take both omega-3 and vitamin D3 because it's the largest meal of my day? Yes, you can. You absolutely can. Omega-3 को और D3 को आप इकट्ठे ले सकते हैं. Take it with K2. It is going to help absorption a lot, a lot, a lot. So your low vitamin D can cause you joint pain. It can cause you dabdabat, sarsarahat, sansanahat. But the good news is once corrected, you will feel stronger. You will feel lighter. aches and pains कम होंगी, आपकी body strong होगी. Just imagine if you start supplementing smartly on vitamin D today, within 4 weeks you will see a huge difference. And this is your sign कि winter is coming. You have to take vitamin D3. Please अपनी health का ध्यान करें. I'm not sponsored by any vitamin D posts. This is all for your own benefit. But yes, now that I have you here, all I'll say is Sapskin के ऊपर Labor Day sale है, up to 40% off है. और ये Fountain of Youth Serum is literally the Fountain of Youth Serum. Hair cap लीजिए. This is the time to buy the Sapskin hair cap and the LED mask. LED mask winter में बहुत ज़रूरी है. If you have not had it before, an LED mask is going to give you so many benefits in winter that you haven't even thought of. Please, this winter, you have to have Sapskin LED mask with you because it is the ultimate companion. And if you have not yet bought Fountain of Youth for yourself and for your teenagers, you have done them a big disservice because इसमें 7 different ingredients हैं. सिर्फ एक vitamin C serum का ज़माना पुराना हो चुका है. The latest technology, the latest thinking is that we pack one serum with 7 serums. It has lactobacillus, it has arginine, it has the Mercedes-Benz of vitamin C serums. It has everything all together. Plus, it has sugar maple extract. Sugar maple extract is amazing. हमने इसमें नेचर भी डाली है, इसमें लिक्रिश भी डाला, इसमें सब कुछ है जो आपकी स्किन को ब्राइटन करेगा, टाइटन करेगा. और इस विंटर आपको इस वेडिंग सीजन में ये बेहतरीन स्किन देगा. इसके साथ सैपस्किन का एलईडी मास्क कंबाइन करें एंड वॉच योर स्किन चेंज. You're gonna love your life. If you want to have thicker hair, then what I would say is get this chubby hair serum and you combine it with this cap. This cap has given me this thick hair, जो कि इतने thick और unruly हो गए हैं कि now I don't even know what to do with it. So this is the ultimate thick hair combination. Get the Sapskin Trustful cap on this sale. It's already sold out in North America. So Canada, US में it's sold out. But it's available in Saudi. It's available in GCC. It is available in other countries. Please immediately get it before it sells out. You're going to thank me later. Get Chubby Hair Serum. Get this cap and love your hair, love your skin, love your life. अपना बहुत ध्यान कीजिए. And inshallah, I will be back with another live and talking about vitamin D3. Kisses and bye. Let me close the lives. अगर किसी और के कोई questions आ गए मेरे live close होने तक तो I'll try to answer them for you क्योंकि I love you guys so much. Let's see. Okay. और क्या questions हैं जिनको मैं answer कर सकती हूँ? And up. My vitamin D level was very low when I tested. I understand that and इसको आपको फौरी तौर पे ठीक करना होगा. And I'm going to close this, but if there are any questions, you can keep posting them and inshallah, I'll get back to you guys. Bye.